I just I just made it right now today, but can't believe that I just made a slime. This is my first time that I made a slime. So I decided to put it on a video, and I want you guys to like it because you guys have seen a lot of slimes all the time, and there's how to make slime. Like I have seen this video how to make slime, like to make this slime right now, and a lot of kids love slime, and I want to make videos to everyone to put likes. Well, even me. Well, you can get something about YouTube, and I want that too of YouTube. I want the gold, the gold. I want the gold. I'm just kidding. Okay, you guys, that's all for today. Oh, you guys want to go? Never mind. Look at them. And there's so much slime where I'm putting the bone, but never mind. Here's the slime. Here's the slime. Now you can see better. It's just that I'm on the kitchen. Here's the lemon and where I make the slime. Okay, you guys, so this was the slime. I made it open there. No, wait, where's the cup? Where's the cup? Where's the cup where I made it? Never mind. Just forget about the cup where I made the slime, and I didn't work that much for the slime. Just for the big slime. Oh my god, it takes like 1 hour. Like 1 hour. That's a lot, and I don't know why everybody wants to make a big slime. Maybe to make it pass and put the slime on the restroom, like to. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay, if you don't know me, I can show myself. Here I am. Okay, well, I make this slime, and I look. I'm trying to make a here is it was a slime, and here's a unicorn. Unicorn! And right here are the blue. This one was the blue one. There's still a little bit more in there. I can't even see more in there. And here's the green glue already. Inside? I will. Oh my god. It smells so weird. Smells kinda like lemon. And this one maybe is blueberry. Smells, yeah, it smells blueberry. Trying to get out this thing. Oh my god. Now this is full of stuff. And look, here says something. Okay. Those are things that it is. And right here's the unicorn again. Why there's a lot of unicorns? I don't know why there's a lot of unicorns here. This is not even a unicorn slime. Like, trick me. Okay, goodbye.